Troubleshooting. No sound in Find My AirPods.
Hello there. If you're watching this video, you're probably having trouble with the sound in your Find My AirPods feature. Don't worry. This is a common issue and we will guide you through several steps to get your AirPods sound back up and running. Let's dive right into it.
Are your AirPods connected?
Firstly, ensure your AirPods are connected. For the Find My AirPods feature to work correctly, your AirPods need to be connected to your device. Remember, this won't work if your AirPods are in their case, as they disconnect from your device when placed inside. Take them out and try again.
Is your volume turned up?
Next, check the volume on your device. Sometimes, the issue is as simple as the volume on your device being turned down. Open the Find My app and play a sound. While the sound is playing, try turning up the volume on your device.
Are your AirPods in Bluetooth range?
AirPods use Bluetooth to connect to your device, which means they need to be within the standard Bluetooth range. If they are out of this range, the sound may not play at all. Check if your AirPods are within the Bluetooth range, which is typically around 33 feet or 10 meters.
Are your AirPods charged?
If your AirPods are out of charge, they will not be able to play the sound. Make sure your AirPods have enough battery power. Plug them into their charging case and let them charge for a while, then try the Find My feature again.
Have you updated your device?
Sometimes, outdated software can cause issues with features like Find My AirPods. Ensure your device is up to date. Go to your device's settings, select General, then Software Update, and download any available updates. Those are some of the key points to check when you're having issues with the sound on your Find My AirPods feature. We hope these steps have helped solve your problem. Remember, if the problem persists, you may need to contact Apple support for further assistance. Good luck and happy troubleshooting!